टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको एक बात बता दूं, आप ये वीडियो देखते हैं तो इसके साथ ही नीचे वाला आपको सब्सक्राइब वाला लाल बटन होता है ना, वो आपको क्लिक करना है। ये चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करना है और बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करना है, ताकि हर रोज जब भी मैं ये वीडियो डालूं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा आपके मोबाइल पे रेगुलर। आप वीडियो देखते हैं मगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो, आपको ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक और शेयर करना है, आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करना है ताकि वो भी ये चैनल देखे, इसके जो भी सॉल्यूशन है उनको हेल्प होगी। ठीक है, आपको ये वीडियो को शेयर करना है ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों को इसके सॉल्यूशन मिल पाए। ठीक है, ये एक तरह से आप दूसरों की हेल्प करते हो, इसी हिसाब से आपको ये चैनल को शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि सभी को इस सॉल्यूशन का लाभ उठा सकते हैं और मुझे भी मोटिवेट मिलता है कि ज़्यादा काम करने के लिए। अब जैसे मुझे एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा आपका कि आप सबको शेयर करते हो, लाइक करते हो, कमेंट्स करते हो। ठीक है, तो आप एक एज अ हेल्प, एज अ मोटिवेट, मुझे ज़्यादा काम करने के लिए एक उत्साह मिलता है कि आप इतना मेरे लिए कर रहे हो। यानी आपके लिए बहुत सारे मैं मटेरियल, स्टडी मटेरियल जो भी चाहिए होगा वो मैं लेके आ पाऊँ। सिर्फ आपको ये चैनल को शेयर करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है। ठीक है, ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों को भी इसका लाभ उठा सके। ठीक है, तो आज का मैं ज़्यादा आपका टाइम नहीं लेने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम ये वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो आज क्लास 6-7 का 4th लेसन द राजपूत एज, जो सोशल साइंस का वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो इसमें फर्स्ट चूज द करेक्ट आंसर्स है। इसमें फर्स्ट है, विच एम्परर्स रूल ओवर इंडिया टिल द एंड ऑफ द 6th सेंचुरी। इसका सी आंसर है गुप्ता। आफ्टर द डेट ऑफ विच एम्परर डिड फेडरल लॉर्ड एंड चिफ्टेन बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट रूलर्स। इसका बी आंसर है एम्परर हर्षवर्धन। हु इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी पावरफुल रूलर ऑफ कनौज आफ्टर एम्परर हर्षवर्धन। इसका ए आंसर है यशोवर्मा। विच टाउन वॉज मेड द कैपिटल आफ्टर एस्टेब्लिशिंग रूल इन अजमेर बाय द रूलर ऑफ चौहान डायनेस्टी। इसका डी आंसर है दिल्ली। विच किंग ऑफ पालवा डायनेस्टी इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी पावरफुल किंग। इसका ये आंसर है नरसिंह वर्मा। रूलर ऑफ विच डायनेस्टी इन्वेडेड साइलोन यानी श्रीलंका। इसका ये आंसर है चोला। रूलर ऑफ विच डायनेस्टी हैड पावरफुल नावल आर्मी। सी आंसर है चोला। विच वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी। बी तंजूर। विच टाउन वॉज फाउंडेड बाय अजय राज, रूलर ऑफ शाकंभरी स्टेट। ए आंसर है अजय मेरू। हु कंपोज द फेमस एपिक पृथ्वीराज रासो। सी आंसर है चंद बरबल। विच वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ कल्च रियोस चेडी स्टेट। इसका भी आंसर है त्रिपुरी तेवर। विच डायनेस्टी रूल ओवर अनिलवाड़ा पठान ड्यूरिंग मेडिवल एज। इसका ए आंसर है चावड़ा डायनेस्टी। विच डायनेस्टी डिड द रूलर गोविंद III बिलोंग टू। ए आंसर है राष्ट्रकूट डायनेस्टी। विच डायनेस्टी वुमन had the rule in their hand। सी आंसर है पंड्या डायनेस्टी। What was the other name of Chera state? D Kerala. Who was the first powerful ruler ऑफ चिरा स्टेट, डी आंसर है अथेंस फर्स्ट. Filling the blanks with proper words. At the end of the 7th century, the unity of political power of Harshvardhan Empire broke. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called feudal lord. The ruler of Pratihar dynasty of Kanauj had protected India from the invasion of Arab. During the rule of King Mihir Bhoj of Pratihar dynasty, he continually kept on fighting against Rashtrakut. Ujjain and Dharanagari were the chief city of Malwa. Kailashnath temple of Kanchi was constructed during Pallava. Kailashnath ये स्पेलिंग है, ठीक है. इन साउथ द कैपिटल ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी वॉज तंजोर. किंग Rajaraj first of Chola dynasty had started land measuring and local self-government. Sambar Lake is to the north of Ajmer. The other name of Prithviraj III was Raipithora. Chand Bardai had composed the epic name Prithviraj Raso. Bappa Rawal was the founder of Sisodia dynasty. In Anilwada Pathan of Gujarat in the medieval age, Chowda dynasty of Rajput and Solak dynasty rule. Rashtrakut dynasty came to power after the fall of Chalukya in South India. The rule of Pandya dynasty was in the hand of women in South India. In the inscription of Emperor Ashok Kepalputra Rajya is mentioned for Kerala province. A powerful king named Satungvan ruled in Chera dynasty. When Rajput lost hope of winning against enemy in battlefield, they perform Kesariya. When Rajput become martyr against enemies in battlefield, their wives Rajputanis perform Johar. Put tick marks correct and wrong. ठीक है, ट्रू फॉल्स है. तो इसमें फर्स्ट है इंडिया वॉज डिवाइडेड into many small and large part at the end of the 6th century. false आएगा. Dharanagari is in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh presently. true आएगा. Many construction took place during Chola dynasty in South India. false आएगा. Rudraman first had constructed Kailashnath temple in Kanchi. false आएगा. The ruler of Chola dynasty had powerful naval army. true आएगा. With the passage of time, Ajamera Nagar got recognized as Ajmer. true आएगा. The king of Chowda dynasty ruled over Delhi during the Rajput age. false आएगा. Sisodia Rajput are the same as Gohil or Gohils of Mewar. true आएगा. Govind III of Pratihara dynasty had established powerful kingdom in Deccan reigns in the 8th century. false आएगा. There had been Pandya state where there are Madurai and Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu at present. true आएगा. The other name of Pandya state is Kerala. false आएगा. Rajput performed Johar when they lost the hope to win in battle. false आएगा. Match the column. Mihir Bhoj 5th आंसर आएगा. Pratihara. Bhoj थर्ड आंसर आएगा परमार। सेतुंग वन इसका फोर्थ आंसर आएगा चेरा। पुलकेशी 2 इसका फर्स्ट आंसर आएगा चालुक्य। नेक्स्ट कॉलम है नरसिंह वर्मा, इसका फोर्थ आंसर है पालवा। राजराज फर्स्ट, इसका फिफ्थ आंसर है चोला। पृथ्वीराज थर्ड, इसका सेकंड आंसर है चौहान। गोविंद थर्ड, इसका थर्ड आंसर है राष्ट्रकूट। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन वन वर्ड्स। After the death of which emperor did the feudal lord and the chieftain become free? इसका आंसर है आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ एम्परर हर्षवर्धन द फेडरल लॉर्ड एंड द chieftains become free. Who can be called a feudal lord? At the king divided his vast empire in the three provinces. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called a feudal lord. Which era can be called the early medieval age? The period from 8th century to 12th century is known as early medieval age. Which dynasties arose in India at the end of the 7th century? At the end of the 7th century, Gurjar, Pratihar, Pali, Chalukya, Parmar and Chauhan dynasties arose in North India and in South India. Palwa, Rashtrakoot, Chalukya of Kalyani, Cherapandya, Chola and some other dynasties arose. In how many and in which separate part are the state of medieval age divided? Medieval states are divided into two parts. First, state of North India and second, state of South India. Who had protected India from the invasion of Arab? The ruler of Pratihara dynasty of Kannauj had protected India from the invasion of Arab. Which powerful ruler belonged to Pratihara dynasty? By which name is he recognized in history? A powerful king named Mihir Bhoj belonged to Pratihara dynasty. He is also known as Bhoj in history. Which were the two main Malwa cities during the Parmar dynasty? The two main Malwa cities during Parmar dynasty were Ujjain and Dharanagari. Why did King Bhoj establish a university in Dharanagari? King Bhoj established a university in Dharanagar to make Dharanagari an educational center and for the study on Sanskrit literature. Which were the two well-known states during the Rajput age in South India? During the Rajput age, the south state of Pallava dynasty and Chola dynasty were well known. Which temple was constructed during the Pallava dynasty? Kailasnath temple of Kachi was constructed during the Pallava dynasty. Which dynasty rule of South India were lover of art and literature? The ruler of Pallava dynasty of South India were art loving and lover of literature. Give one example of the expert administration of Rajaraj. First, one example of expert administration of Rajaraj. First, he had started land measuring and local self-government. Who established the town of Ajaymeru? By which name was that town known in later here? King Ajaymeru had founded Ajaymeru town. That town became known as Ajaymeru later. Why did some ruler of South India need to have a strong naval force? The status of some ruler in South India were on the share of the Arabian Sea. Invasion from foreign countries were greatly feared, so the king of South had novel army to fight against them and protect themselves. 16. On which city did the ruler of the Chauhan dynasty gain victory and establish their rule? On it, the ruler of Chauhan dynasty got victory over Delhi, the capital of Tomar, and established their rule on it. 17. Which king is unparalleled in the history of India? Which dynasty did he belong to? Prithviraj III. And Raipithora is unparalleled in the history of India. He belonged to Chauhan dynasty. Who has narrated the story of Prithviraj Chauhan bravery, in which epic a well-known poet Chandbardaya has narrated the story of Prithviraj Chauhan's bravery in his famous epic Prithviraj Raso. What is the meaning of Rashtrakoot? The meaning of Rashtrakoot is head of the state or area. Which king had established powerful kingdom in the Deccan Realms in the 8th century? Govind III of Rashtrakoot dynasty had established powerful kingdom in the Deccan Realms in the 8th century. Which state is considered to be a very ancient state in South India? Pandya state of Pandya dynasty in South India is considered to be a very ancient state. Why could the ruler of the Chola dynasty invade nations beyond the sea? The ruler of Chola dynasty could invade the nation beyond sea because they had very powerful naval army. Which powerful king excited in the Chera state? Athens II and Chera Setangwang were two powerful kings in Chera state. Where was the state of Pandya? Pandya state was in Tamil Nadu in South India, where presently Madurai and Tirunelveli district are located. When and why did the Rajput wives perform Jwar? If their husband died in the battlefield or got defeated against the enemy and were arrested as war prisoner, the wives of Rajputanis perform Jwar to burn alive. Question 6. Explain the following terminological words. Federal lord. The king divided his large empire in three parts. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called federal lord. Jwar means to burn alive or self-immolation by the group of the wives of Rajputanis. ठीक है, तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.